Hello everyone, my name is Joanna and here you can find support in healing insecure attachment style, learn relationship skills and love yourself better. So today I would like to share with you a tool that will help you to process your emotions, and we'll be using art to connect with our emotions and to process them and learn from what messages these emotions are trying to send us. And after that exercise, I will also share on screen some bottom-up exercises that are helping to regulate the nervous system. So all of this is meant for you to help you better process your emotions, regulate your emotional state when you feel really triggered, when the emotions are intense. And we're using these body sensations, body movements, and art to better regulate our emotions, our state. So I will be reading questions and suggestions and the guidance for that exercise. And later after that exercise, I will share on screen the image and I will present how to use a specific placement of your hands on your body to regulate your nervous system. Please prepare art supplies, paper, clean paper, crayons or color pencils, and get comfortable because I will ask you to relax and go back to the emotional state you would like to process. And if for some reason you start feeling uncomfortable or becoming too emotionally activated, please stop the activity. This is very important. You can just stop and stand up, look around, or maybe even go outside, take deep breaths. So you learn what role this particular emotion plays and what messages it has for you. Once you have this information, the next step is to transforming the emotion to serve you instead of inhibiting you. So will externalize this emotion because externalizing in a form of art, of image, helps to feel immediate relief and better process and understand our emotions. We'll start with short visualization, so please get ready, sit comfortable, you can lie down, as long as you have these art supplies close to you, and you can close your eyes. And now bring back in your mind the moment you felt hurt because of the situation, maybe it's right now. Allow this feeling to be present, take a deep breath and focus on this emotion. Feel your body and check where this emotion is the most intense in your body. Where do you feel this emotion the most in your body? Scan your body. Check. Where do you feel it the most? Where do you experience these sensations? Stay with it and notice. Try to feel it. What sensations can you feel in your body from that emotion? Try to describe this. Is it heavy, tight? Maybe it's a sensation of numbness. Just feel it. Allow this emotion to spread, to be there. Observe it. It's just an emotion. Now ask yourself what color could express or represent this emotion, this sensation in my body. Allow the color to be revealed to you. Ask yourself what shape could reflect this emotion, what texture could represent this emotion. The sensations, these feelings, this emotion in my body. Allow this to come to you, shape, color, maybe texture. Just don't force anything. Allow this to happen. Stay with this as long as you want, as you feel it's needed. And when you'll be ready, look at the art supplies and draw that emotions, that sensations, that colors, use that shape, express it on the paper. If no images, shapes, or colors came to you during this guided visualization, just look at the art supplies and pick any color, anything that you feel drawn to, and just draw whatever feels right. Any lines, any shapes, whatever feels right. This drawing helped you to externalize your feelings, your emotions, so now you can better interact with them. If this will be helpful, try to use I feel statements and try to ask yourself, try to check with yourself. If this artwork could speak, what would it tell you? If this artwork could speak, what would it tell you? If any statement like I am bad, I am unworthy, I am defective will come up, I want you to know that this is a core wound, core belief, and that emotion and that sensations you experience, that emotional pattern you experience are coming from that core wound. And this core wound can be healed, can be reprogrammed. So please just check whatever will come is right, and ask this question: what if this artwork could speak, what would it tell you? The answer comes from the part of you that feels this way, has this perception, interprets things this way, and that's why it's sending these emotions. So now we'll try to bring a relief and healing. And in the second part, again, you go through visualization so you can experience transformation. Relax and close your eyes. Take a moment. Focus on your breath. Take deep inhale and long exhale. Allow yourself to relax. Feel yourself. Anything you need to know is within you. Now bring to your mind the picture you have drawn. Allow its colors and shapes to appear in your imagination. When you are ready, picture your beautiful light coming from your heart, spreading through your body and going to place in your body where you initially experienced this painful emotion that represents your drawing that was most intense. As you witness this, ask this part of you that is in pain what it needs to transform. What do you need to transform into positive, to feel relief, to heal, to feel better? Don't force it. Allow new image to appear. Allow shapes and colors of the initial image to transform into new shapes and new colors that represents healing, relief, transformation. If you cannot see any image, ask yourself, what do you need to feel better? This part of you will tell you. Just ask, what do you need to feel better? What would bring you a relief? The answer may come now or later, within a few hours after this meditation. Just set an intention to get the message from that part of you who feels these emotions, to get the message what would bring a relief, healing, transformation. If you feel ready, you can again look at the art supplies, and now you can draw a new image, the one you saw in your mind, the one representing healing, transformation, positive change, or you can alter the already existing image into a positive one. Check what feels right to you. For the next 21 days, practice this transformation by looking at these images, how they go from that painful emotion, intense emotions, negative emotions, into the positive one. Practice this transformation every day. Spend some time to look at these images or the image that is already transformed, and allow this to be imprinted on your subconscious mind. We call this emotional reprogramming level. And just allow to feel yourself practice these new emotions, these transformed positive emotions in your body. You can also interact with that part of you, asking over and over, is there anything else you want me to know? Is there anything else you need to feel better? Is there anything else you want me to do? And for 21 days, a minimum, stay with this, practice these sensations in your body. Look at the image that represents the transformation. So now we'll practice bottom-up exercises that are helping to restore, to regulate our nervous system. So one of the simple and powerful exercise, we place our hands, one on the forehead, the second one on the back of our head, and we deeply breathing in and out. And once we feel that relation between our hands, we know we are done. We should feel calmer, regulated, present in the body. The second one, again, we need to feel calmer when there is a shock, there is like a lot of emotions happening. We're using the heavening technique, so we're just stroking our arms. It's a simplified version. We're just doing this for a few moments, also breathing and relaxing and allowing our nervous system to regulate. And the third one, when we are really shocked, it's used for shock. We just tap side of our palm and we're breathing and again relaxing, focusing and tapping side of our palms. This should help regulate our state and our nervous system. So please practice, take time, stay connected with your body, practice these exercises, and I'm sure that you will see the improvement. So thank you for watching and see you next time.